If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After entering inventory parts into the item list, you need to order the items to keep your inventory parts stocked. While QuickBooks doesn't require you to use purchase orders, it is recommended. If you use purchase orders, you can see what items you have ordered and when they are due to be received. You will also be able to compare items you receive against items listed in a purchase order. If you don't order items in advance or just don't want to use purchase orders, you can buy inventory directly by using the Items tab within the Write Checks window or Enter Credit Card Charges window to select inventory items you purchase from vendors. To create a purchase order, select Vendors, Create Purchase Orders from the menu bar. Select a vendor from the Vendor drop-down at the top of the window to fill in the vendor's data within the form. Enter the date of the purchase order into the Date field. The next available purchase order number will appear within the PO number field. If you have multiple shipping addresses, use the Ship To drop-down to select the name of the shipping address to which you want the item shipped. If you are creating a purchase order that will be drop-shipped to a customer address, select the name of the customer from the Drop Ship To drop-down at the top of the form. Their address information will then appear within the Ship To field. To select a custom purchase order template you have created, select the name of the template from the Template drop-down. Then click into the first available row under the Item column in the line item area and select the name of the inventory part item to order. The information for the inventory part will appear within the description and rate columns in the form, but you can change it if needed. Then enter the number of items to order into the Quantity field. The amount shown will be calculated by multiplying the quantity and the rate fields. Repeat this process until you have entered all the items you need to order into the purchase order. To enter a message to the vendor, type the message into the Vendor Message field. You can enter a memo into the Memo field if needed. After you have completed the purchase order, you can click the Save and Close button to save the purchase order and close the window, or click the Save and New button to save the purchase order and open another new purchase order form. After you initially create a purchase order, QuickBooks creates an account called Purchase Orders within the chart of accounts. This is a non-posting account type created by QuickBooks that does not appear within your balance sheet or income statement. The Purchase Orders account is simply used to produce a quick report showing current purchase orders so you'll always know what has been ordered. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.